Hey lawn dogs, Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, UlnarLawnCare.com. Hey, I forgot the intro, so this is your intro. Hi, welcome to the intro. Mowers For Vet update. Stick around, be right back. Hey lawn dogs, so I'm going to give you that update for Mowers For Vets. So on the website, if you go to mowersforvets.com, you'll see that we have 2 lawnmowers to give away. One I actually have local with me, and the other one is the money set aside to purchase, but depending on where we get applicants, I should say, is where it will go. So that one won't be ordered until we pick that applicant for that mower, because I'd like to maybe get one out there to somewhere else other than West Michigan area or Michigan, you know. So those of you who are mower soldiers, you know, put the word out there. Hey, there's a mower to give away. Maybe we can give it away in your area. And if you're not a mower soldier, go apply. It's on the website, and we can order this mower and ship it to your house, and you can deliver it to the veteran. So we need many more of those. We got a lot of country to cover. Anyway, but yeah, so check it out. It's on the website. We got 2 mowers to give away. Like I said, one's local, one will be ordered to and delivered to the location it needs to go, I guess. I don't know. You know, I'm running solo. Morgan's still on vacation, and I'm bored and I ramble. But I'm driving to the next job right now. I figured I'd let you know what the update was. But those Toro personal pace Toro 21-inch mowers are nice. But we got a meeting with a lawyer on September 21st, I think. The articles come back, but everybody's so booked out for everything that it's the earliest we could get in and sit down, go over the articles, get that 501c done. But the articles were submitted to the state and all that, so we're good to go. I'll come back to you on this video. I'm gonna show you a little bit of footage of what I've done in the last well, some footage that I have, some archive footage probably. And I'll come back to you and we'll talk a little bit more, and then yeah, I'm excited. I'm ready to give these ones away too. It's kind of fun. It's fun, but it's rewarding. I like it. All right, I'll be back.
just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me, yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
Hey guys, do me a favor, share this out so that people know that there's a mowers to give away. Share about to your Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, whatever. I don't know what you got to share it out to. So hey lawn dogs, Floyd. So I want to show you what you got to do here. If you go to mowersforvets.com, this is what you're going to get. It's going to pull this up. It's going to show you the qualifications. You just got to be honorably discharged. To apply for a mower, you just have to hit the applicant page, and that will show you what mowers we have on hand. So we have one mower on hand here in stock, and the other one's ready to be ordered, but I don't want to order that until I know where it's going, in case it's going out of state. It's a Toro 22-inch recycler personal pace mower. You just click here to apply. That's it. If you want to become a mower soldier, click on this, and you can click here and apply to be a mower soldier. Both applicants are in Word documents, so you have to be able to open that Word. So that's it. That's how you do it. Got any questions? Leave a message below, and I'll answer them. Well, lawn dogs, that's the update for Mowers for Vets. Hope you like that footage. I'm getting way better at that grandstand, but I'm tired. I'm going home. Thank God I get Morgan back tomorrow, because it's boring talking to myself all the time. Like, hey Jeff, how you doing? Oh, I'm doing good, Floyd. How are you? You know, pretty tired today. Yeah, me too. You know, I have to mow and trim and do all that by yourself. Not used to it. No, I'm not used to it. You know, I usually have Morgan with me. But anyway. Alright, dogs. Always give maximum effort. Be kind to everyone. Floyd, I'm out.